Hi everybody, Dr. Michael Horowitz, Vancouver Chiropractor, here today with longtime patient DEANNA, who's going to help us demonstrate some stretches which will help keep you in tip-top form, help prevent injury, and help improve posture. Stretching is one of three components of spinal hygiene. So when you combine stretching with regular physical activity and regular chiropractic checkups, you're working towards perfect posture and you're working towards making sure your small aches and pains don't become big ones. So please enjoy this video. If you like it and you find it useful, leave a comment. Feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel because we've got a lot more great videos coming your way on how to live your healthiest and happiest life.
This next exercise is the front plank, or the dolphin plank. From tabletop position, you're going to kick your legs back and then lay down onto your forearms while keeping your core engaged. Don't allow your hips or pelvis to sink down or to move too far up. And you're going to hold this for 15 seconds or 30 or 45 seconds if you work up to that point. This is such an important maneuver for good core strength, which is so important for posture. Good job on the front plank there, Dee. Good job. This next exercise is the lateral or side plank. Laying on your side with one arm on the ground, you're going to lift your body so that your leg and hips are off that ground. Your top hand could be on your hips, or you can modify that by putting that behind your head. Keep breathing through this exercise. This lateral or side plank is so important for the abdominal muscles and the transverse abdominal muscles as well. Core strength helps with better posture. Good job, Dee. This next exercise is called the crunch. Laying on your back, hands to the side and behind your head, you're going to crunch up so that your shoulders are off the ground. It's important to not grab onto your neck, but rather just support the space by your ears and keep breathing through this exercise as you're working on your abdominal muscles for better core strength and better posture. This is the crunch. Good job, Dee. This next exercise is called bird dogs. From the tabletop position, you are going to extend your left arm forward and your right leg back and alternate sides. Each position you want to hold for 3 to 5 seconds. As a modification to this activity, when you reach forward, on the way in, you squeeze that left elbow and right knee together. By doing so, you engage your core, and it's an added benefit and bonus to this exercise. Building strength in your back muscles and improving flexibility. It's a great way to prevent back pain. Thanks, Dee. This next exercise is called rock and rolls. What you're going to do is rock and roll forward and back. On the way down, your shoulders hit the mat. On the way up, your feet just touch the front of the mat. And what you're doing here is massaging the muscles in the back and working on your core to help you get into a sitting position. Rock and roll for about 15 to 30 seconds, and don't forget to breathe. Great for your low back. Good job, Dee.
Thanks for watching. My name's Dr. Michael Horowitz, your friendly neighborhood chiropractor in Vancouver. And if you'd like more information on spinal health and how to treat your aches and pains naturally with chiropractic, then please visit our website at vancouverchiropractic.net, where you can book an appointment online, or you can email us with any questions that you have. And if you enjoyed this video and found it useful, please like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I've got a lot more great useful information coming your way to live your healthiest and happiest life. Enjoy, everybody.